In order to troubleshoot what might go wrong with the Intrado VUI configuration, I'm going to walk through a couple of things that we typically see and how we overcome it. So first, I'm going to go ahead and do the certificate upload process. I'm going to go out, I'm going to pick my certificate file that was provided to me, upload that to the system, and close this box here. Remove the little placeholder dots, put in the password that was provided to me, and put in the URL. And now what I'm going to do is test and validate. So this is going to fire off a connection on 443 to CER.9line91.com. Immediately, if there's a failure at this point, what that's telling us is we can't connect to that host on 443. Now, there's a few reasons this might happen. The first one is, do we have DNS? So let's check it. Great, we've got DNS. So you're going to see a few different responses here, and this is basically just how all the load balancing and everything works on our side. But because this was successful, we know DNS resolution is working, and we know that we're able to establish a connection outbound on 443 to CER.9line91.com. If this test fails, either DNS isn't working or something is blocking the connection on 443. Now let's go on to the next step. Let's configure the remaining items here. Let's save our account. And now let's test connectivity. All right. And we're successful. So what we've done now is not only have we opened up a connection on 443 towards CER.9line91.com, but we've also presented the client certificate and we validated that the client certificate went through successfully. So what could go wrong here? Well, if we have something that's doing any kind of SSL inspection, which could affect us in step 2 here, but it could also affect us in step 3. SSL inspection can break that certificate interaction between the client certificate that we uploaded right here and the certificate communication required on our side in the cloud. And so to test this, let's just try going out to CER.9line91.com in our browser. Make sure we do HTTPS. If you see this little certificate presentation dropdown, that's basically our system asking you for the client certificate to authenticate yourself. Just hit cancel. You're going to get a warning here basically saying, hey, this is forbidden, you can't talk to us. And that's because 9line doesn't allow anybody to talk to us that doesn't present a valid client certificate. This is expected. If you don't receive this window and you don't receive this message, then that means you're not talking to our system, you're not talking to our server. So if there's any kind of unable to connect message or you're getting a browser message basically saying like I can't connect to it, then that's telling me right away that there's something that is preventing the traffic from communicating. I hope this was helpful in helping troubleshoot your VUI settings. If you have any questions, feel free to open up a ticket in our help center. Thanks, have a great day.